That wasn't quite as satisfying as I was hoping. Brand new keyboard with the tab still in. Let's go. Hello and welcome to Dumbphones UK. My name's Joseph. I look at dumb or dumber phones on the UK market, and today we're on the Cat S22 Flip. And we're looking at whether this can connect to this.
So here we have the keyboard in pairing mode, and I'm just hopping on to the Cat S22 Flip in the settings, and I'm just pairing up the keyboard. So I found it there, give it a click, and then it asked me to enter my Bluetooth pairing code. So I pop that in, and hey presto, we are now connected. You'll see I'm just going to hop into the settings to show you that it is connected. I can forget or disconnect this device. And then I'm just going to hop and download Google Docs from the Play Store, and then open that and show you that you are able to create and type using this. Now, I am going to go quiet for a little bit because I know people like to hear the click-clack of a keyboard. So I'll be quiet and you'll hear me pop up in a little bit. I just wanted to show you that you can also, within Google Docs on this phone, you can highlight a word and you can bold, underline, italicize, is that how you say it? And you can also highlight and do everything that you think you should be able to do in Google Docs. So I just wanted to showcase that at the end of the video as well.
So there we have it. That was the Cat S22 Flip connecting to a Bluetooth keyboard. Now, I don't know if that makes your decision easier on purchasing this phone. I don't know whether it makes it harder, but I hope it was useful regardless of what you decide. Bye-bye.